In this video, we'll learn about how to use nested calculate and what will be the behavior of nested calculate function. So I have added a subject on the matrix and the total marks. So let's write one measure so that we can learn the nesting calculate by writing DAX measure. So here is nested calculate. Calculate. First we write one calculate, the same formula that we have used in the previous video. Total marks, and the filter will be gender. Gender is equal to female. And if I put this thing to the slicer, nested calculate, and here if I select female, and you can see both total marks and calculate marks are having the same values. So let's write one more calculate here. Calculate, and this whole part, this whole calculate from here to here, it will be used as one expression, and the second filter will be gender. Gender is equal to male. So now which value we should get? We will get again the female marks. So you will see the nested calculate. In the nested calculate, these marks are female student marks, and if I use nested calculate, the inner calculate will override the outer calculate. This is the behavior of nested calculate. So hit enter so that we can have a look. So here you can see these values have not been changed. Like if I select female, you will see both values are same. If I change this value to male and the external calculate to female, so here what will happen? The inner calculate, this is the inner calculate, the inner calculate will override the external calculate filter. So now we should get the student mark, we should get the male gender marks. Click here, and here you can see we are getting the male student marks here. If I click to male, we are getting both values are unique. So the behavior of nested calculate is whenever we use to calculate function, the inner calculate will override the filter of external calculate. So that's all about how to use nested calculate.